Heavner Nature Connections has been providing outdoor educational and recreational opportunities for kids of all ages and their families for over 3 years. The Heavner Nature Connection team has taken the No Child Left Inside philosophy to the next level by providing positive outdoor experiences that engage children and their families at Michigan State Parks, Huron Clinton Metro Parks, and Oakland County Parks. We also conduct programs at our outstanding public schools, charter and private schools, as well as public libraries and public parks throughout Southeast Michigan. After-school wilderness adventure programs enhance the school's curriculum by providing learning opportunities in an outdoor setting. These offerings reconnect kids with nature at their school and at their local outdoor parks and recreational facilities. Our programs provide a platform that enhances the 5 senses: taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing.